I will speak about the IBSA referee system, the new structure. In this time we have one head referee, it's my person, and 2 additional commission members. And in this time we have about 50 referees from all continents with A or B license from IJF. And this was the reason we create a new referee system to select the best referees for the big events. And generally we follow the IJF rules and the IJF system. First of all, we have 1 to 10 points, and by all events create a ranking list. And with this ranking list we can select the best referees for the big events. Example, World Championships, World Games and Paralympic Games. And the basic is all the referees must have an actual international or continental referee license by IJF, and together with a special seminar and a practical examination by the big tournament, they can go to IBSA license. And in IBSA Judo we have some special rules. Generally we follow the IJF rules, and we have special signs for the blind or for the deaf athletes. And example, we start with the grip on the tatami, or we have separate rules on the edge of the tatami. We have special additional signs for the scores or for the penalties, and many more things for this. And the special rules we can see after in the film.
The correct holding position for the referee to guide a player to the center of the contest area. A red circle to indicate a blind player and a yellow circle to indicate a deaf player on both upper arms. The incorrect feet position. The correct leg position to start the contest. The correct hand position to start the contest. Both arms bent and in a relaxed position. The referee will correct the wrong starting position once, then will give a shido to the player who changes grip positions. The referee will announce shiro, white for a score or a penalty, and ao, blue, for a score or a penalty. Shido offensives. Breaking the grip with 2 hands. Breaking the grip using the knee or the leg. Avoiding the grip. breaking the grip by hitting the arm.
Judo, Judo, Kata.
Blue having the defensive grip, holding the opponent down.
Hey! Judo, Judo, Kata.
Defensive arm pushing down.
Hey! Judo, out. Kata.
Defensive blocking.
Hey! Judo, out. Kata.
Blue taking the grip for a throw action. This must be completed straight away.
Hey! Judo, out. Kata.
For grabbing or blocking the leg for the first time Shido. For the second time, Hansakumake. The referee will tap once and say Hajime to a deaf player to start the contest. The referee will tap twice and say Mate to stop the deaf player. The referee will indicate a Shido on the top of the hand for a deaf player.
Shido, Shiro.
One finger for the first Shido. Two fingers for the second Shido. Three fingers for the third Shido. The referee will sign on the palm of the hand with an H for Hansokumake. The referee will sign with a circle to indicate that there is 1 minute left of the contest. The referee will sign with a straight line to indicate that the player is out of the contest area. The referee will sign on the palm of the hand foe scores. Y for Yuko. W for Wazari. I for Ippon. X to cancel a score. To stretch his arm forward with his palm downwards, and the referee will make a rotative movement.
I have a very strange thought about judo of the blind, or in general sport of the disabled. In my opinion, disabled people do not exist, only those who can reach their aim in a different way. Our biggest task is to help disabled people to make their dream come true. Almost everybody heard the slogan, the judo more than sport, and I think it's totally true, especially in the judo of the blind. Our history is not so long, because the first Paralympic Games was in 1988, where judo was part of the Paralympic Games. But during these 3 decades, I think judo of the blind developed a lot. Last year, International Blind Sport Federation and International Judo Federation signed a memorandum of understanding, and in my opinion, it can make a very big chance to develop judo of the blind more and more. I think judo can be part of social integration and social inclusion for blind, visual and impaired people, because sighted athletes and blind athletes can practice together, and I think this is the best way how we can help these athletes to make their life total and fulfill their dreams.